kid. He lived to die to buy my pardon. An empty grave is there to prove my Savior lives. Because He lives, I can face tomorrow. Because He lives, all fear is gone. Because I know He holds the future, and life is worth the living just because He lives. Because I know we hold tomorrow. Life is worth the living just because I live. Okay, almost 1 hour na. Bye-bye na muna po at ako'y mamamalengke. Thank you, Sir Joe M. You are really kind. I know He lives. Because He lives, I can face tomorrow. Thank you din. Thank you talaga. Because I know before the future. Bye-bye na po. Ako'y mamamalengke. Habang wala pa yung aking dalaginding. At naku, mamaya pag damating yun, hindi na ako makakalabas. Bye-bye. View po yan ng kitchen ko at saka yung room ko. Sa kabila yung room ko. Bye-bye. Salamat sa lahat. Thank you, Kuya Joem. Miss Pubs. Mrs. Steffi. Kuya Adi. Sino pa yun? Miss Floor. Ma'am Gina. At yung iba pa. Thank you for coming. God bless you. Bye-bye. Because I can face tomorrow. Bye-bye na po at magpi-play ako ng mga utang ko.